Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use WorldRemit to send money. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that we have to do here is we first have to create our WorldRemit account. So go ahead and create your account. It's very easy. You just need to provide your email address, and from there, you just need to create your password. Now, once you've created your account, we are now ready to use WorldRemit. So using WorldRemit is actually pretty easy. So in here, for us to start our transaction, in here at the main homepage for WorldRemit, you need to choose the origin. So this is where you are currently in. So that's the origin of the money. And from here, you want to select the country where the money will be sent to. So in this case, we have Philippines as well as Albania. Now from here, you also have the receive method, so you could choose from the available here, and from here just click on continue. Now from here, what you need to do is you need to enter or provide details for you to proceed with your transaction. So in this case, you need to provide the recipient's phone number. So this is the phone number of the recipient. So you also have the top up amount. So in this case, you could go ahead and select the amount that you want to top up. And from there, you just need to click on continue. Now in the next pages, it's going to ask further information about your recipient. So go ahead and just follow the details that they will be requesting, provide those details. And once you provide all the details, you just need to pay for your transaction, which includes providing your card or your banking details. But yeah, so this one is pretty simple. Go ahead and just follow their steps here, provide any details that they'll be requesting, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.